So if your door is not getting any power to anything on pretty much any vehicle, but on the to the 2004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whatever Chevy Tahoes and trucks and Suburbans, I'll show you how to find that. All right, it was suggested that a door module might be bad, and I already thought about that because that's kind of a thing. But I'm hoping that it's actually a door module fuse. Let's find out. The fuse box is located over here on the driver's side. I got to get something to pry this off. Okay, according to my information, it's either number 9 or number 15, and that's going to be number 9 or number 15. So number 9 is this little dude right here, the pointy one. I don't know if I can get that in my fingers. Maybe. Alright, here's number 9. Look at there what we have. Imagine that. That's a 15 amp fuse, and she is blown. Y'all see that? Let's see if it'll focus. Focus. There we go. Definitely blown. Notice there's no connection there. So I need to replace that with a 15 amp fuse, and we'll be golden. Alright, we replaced that fuse. Now things are working like normal. See? Y'all were worried for nothing. Alright. Got it all back in position again. Let's flip the switch. Oh yeah. Good times all around, baby. It's looking real good. That back section's painted. Oh. And the windows are working. Locks are working. Everything is doing what it's supposed to do now. Bob's your uncle. Just a simple fuse. Yeah. I still got to paint these visors. I'm going to go ahead and take those down and get to work on them now. Got to clean them up and paint them. Yeah, we're slapping it, baby. Slapping it hard.
Ski mask on my face, sometimes you gotta cheat to stay ahead in this picture. Drink certain like it's liquor. Street life will have you catching up to God quicker. Sticker, AK-40 to your lipper. Let the chopper bang on you like a blood or a gripper. Flipper, so much bread off the chimney. Paying so much money off the dumbest,
Music Fast by Scary Zero.
I missed them. This a fucking rapper, no capper, street nigga, not a rapper. Chopper hit him and he turned into a booty clapper. Smith and Wesson, a 4L gang reppin'. We done baptized more niggas than the damn reverend. Kappa Alpha, me and my gang, we do all the steppin'. Who you checkin'? It's FN, shoot East or West End. Poppy outside, and he got the double R, drop it outside. Check the weather and it's getting real, I'll be outside. I'ma try this shit and have this pussy dropping like some motherfucking type of nigga that can't look me in the eyes. I despise when I see you better put that fucking pride to the side. Many times, plenty times, I survive, beef is live. Spoiler alert, this nigga dies. Heat blickies, and you know the weed sticky. My finger itchy. Like the leaf. And the fake ones is lit. The gamers are balanced. I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty. My sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my dick. I'm all in my bag. As hard as it get. I do not store powder. I might take a sip. I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable Fuck if you fuck choice, I ain't. Niggas been counting me out. I'm counting my bullets. I'm loading my clips. I'm writing down names. I'm making